Okay, today we're back in Nature Trail, and one of the hottest subdivisions in Pensacola right now. One of the reasons makes Nature Trail special is the clubhouse and the amenities that come with the living in Nature Trail. Clubhouse is a place where owners can come, play cards, just enjoy social events together. And then also included are nice tennis courts, basketball goals, surrounded by a lot of nice natural trees. And then not far away from the tennis courts, behind the clubhouse, you have a very nice large pool. Great place for the family in the summer. And you can see the back of the clubhouse. Fireplace. And behind the big pool, you have the nice little kiddie pool. See if we can get inside the clubhouse. Take a quick peek at it. You can see there's a lot of chairs, tables, fireplace, barbecue pits to enjoy poolside. Yeah. Next to the kid pool, of course, is a little sand pit for the kids to play on.
Morning.
Morning. Workout room.